Reactiv also allows for some great layout management, so you don't have to remember everything every single time or manage all of your UI or dashboards. So I have the ability to bring out content, let's just say, and I only have 4 pieces of content right here, and I'm going to arrange that. So I can actually click this button right here and save a layout. So I'm going to come in and call it layout A1. Let's just say done. So I'm now going to collapse everything, and maybe there's a different layout that's just that together with this, and I'm going to save that as A2. Save that. I don't have to manually pull them up. I can click that, and I can go to A1, double click. It'll automatically pop up. Or I can obviously go to A1 or A2, and then select yes. It'll automatically switch the layout. So you can pre-populate and template out common layouts and jump from layout to layout based on your scenario.